Greetings, hi, welcome to Land Shows. This is the premium 2-bedroom hall kitchen. This property is located in Vijaypuri colony and it is 100 square yards. The northwest facing corner plot near the heart of Uppal metro station. It is about 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer from Uppal metro station. This is a bedroom. This is a 20-year-old building which is boosty strong and made up of all the effects material. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is the hall where you can dine in with your family. And this house, this multi-story deluxe house is coming at 82,50,000, which is the best price for this area in Uppal. I repeat the name, which is Vijaypuri colony Uppal. Going upwards, the entrance has two doors which connects you to the main hall. Here is other bedroom, followed by other bedroom, followed by hall, interlinked connected hall, followed by washroom towards the east and kitchen in the east side of the building. This piece of property can yield you a rent of rupees 20,000 per month if it has been let out. This is a very busy and good area which has a 30 feet road in the front and there are all apartments nearby. This road leads you to the very famous Vijaypuri colony main road, followed by the Gandhi Command. And one more point which has to be highlighted about this property is it is a corner bit which interlinks two roads towards north and towards west. Ours is a corner bit. In case in future you wish to reconstruct or you wish to renovate, you can put in a shutter in the corner. Having putting forward over the years down the line, the pillars are here. You can also lift in a penthouse where you can probably use that for yourself or you can give it for rent as well. Followed by a cement tank. All the